Hey guys, how are you all doing? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's a very long time, but please excuse me. I'll tell everything to you guys through my videos, okay? Don't worry. And today's video is a bit crazy thing, and that we all know about our teachers. Like last time I had put a video with types of teachers, but I haven't put a video which says like when your mom is a teacher. Did I? And I'm telling you guys this because I have been there. I know how it feels when your mom is teaching, especially when she's a teacher in your own school. Like when you talk about my mom, she had taught me like 3 to 4 times. Yeah, being my class teacher. You think it is so fun when your mom is in the same school? Yes, when you're a kid, it'll be nice. But if you're grown up around some 7th standard, 8th, 9th, and all, no, you know what I mean, right? Okay, when you're a kid, it'll be very nice. You can hold her fingers, not getting scared of any teachers out there. You can be like, okay, you're gonna hit me, I'm gonna tell to my mom. Otherwise, like she's gonna call you out in the lunch break and she's gonna feed you, and you're looking at other friends of yours and you're like, and when you grow up, it's completely different story. You know, your friends will not allow you to stay in your group because they want to bitch about your mom being a teacher, subject teacher. Maybe something she does is what rubbish. And when you go speak to them, they'll be like, excuse me? Is that madam's daughter coming? Okay, let's quit. And they're gonna split out, and whenever you go there, they're like, ha 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 ha. And then when she takes class for you, it's a complete different story. She wanna show the other students that I'm not doing partiality, like taking care of my daughter in the class, only teaching to her or giving homeworks only to her so that she will become big. So what she does is like, she takes class randomly, she asks questions. So the first question will be asked to me. Yeah, and if I don't answer that, it's very obvious that I'll be given some or the other punishment that other kids don't get. And when your mom is teacher in the same school where you're studying, everything is noticed. The way you walk, the way you speak, the way you submit things, the way you look at teacher when she's taking class, you're supposed to be so scared. Okay, should I give this expression or a serious expression? So if you give a serious expression, it will be like, okay, this mam's daughter is trying to show her attitude to me. Okay, she thinks she's so free in the school, college, or wherever it is. And these are based on real experiences, okay? And now there's no school, colleges going on, so she's busy taking her online class, and this is how it's going. I'm taking online class here. Please keep quiet, okay? Yeah, I'm going to take two other classes today. Can you listen? Everybody can listen? Everybody can listen? Okay. So we finished 2 lessons, and next lesson is which one? Next lesson is a poem, not lesson. Okay, it says on children. What on children? Okay, the poem name is on children. I can't concentrate only sitting at home. This corona stupid thing. Hey guy, where is your other headphones? Your mom is keeping it. Why? Who is hiding there? Now what is this girl eating? See, if your parents is having doubt with taking class, then why they are doing like this? You can take your DC and go. Yeah. Should I start or not? Take your headphones and keep it for yourself. I'm taking class here. I'll start. Okay. Okay, so the chapter, the poem name is On Children, and it is written by Khalil Gibran from 1883 to 1931. Okay, so this poem I am going to start a summary and all later. In the last I'll read. A woman and a woman who held a baby against her bosom said, "Speak to us of children." And he said, "Who?" Okay, so the poet is going in a boat. He's going in a boat, and opposite to him, you see, no, in movies and all, opposite to them, two kids are sitting. Two big people are sitting, and they're having one child with them. So they're asking to this poet to speak something that will make us love this child, something like that they are asking. So what did he sing? Let's read it out, okay? Your children are not your children. Okay, your children are not your children. They are sons and daughters for life longing for itself. They came through you, but not from you. What do they mean they came from you, not from you? I know how it feels. Came from you, not from you. See, before I start this poem, okay, it is just poem. There are some poets out there who try to gain attention, and you can just take it as just simply like small thing. Don't take serious, okay? So it says, they came through you, but not. Oh, this line is killing me again. We planned, okay, and that's how kids are here. Not because through us, we are not railway station, bus station, which takes you from one place to another. Nothing like that, okay? And through you, they are with you, and they belong not to. What do you mean they don't belong? We go work for them, get money, take them to school, and what this guy telling? They are with you, yet they belong not to you. Okay, it's poem, fine. I have to teach and I have no other way to do. No, nothing, nobody. I was just, now concentrate here. So your children are not your children. This lesson, I don't know. First, let me read about the person who wrote this poem. Okay, Khalil Gibran. Okay, it is Gibran Khalil or Khalil Gibran. Here, all the three names: Khalil Gibran, Khalil. Okay, maybe father, mother, both name also Gibran. Who knows? Okay, Khalil Gibran, usually referred to in English as Khalil Gibran, was a lesbian. What? No, not lesbian. Okay, it's Lebanese. Okay, Gibran was a Lebanese, and he was also an American writer, poet, and visual art who considers a philosopher, although he himself rejected the title. Now I understand why he rejected the title, because he thinks he can speak whatever. This line, what you mean your children don't belong to you? You take so much stress, strain, these people, it's not so easy, okay? I don't know why this guy written like this. It will spoil kids mostly. Okay, this poem is also telling, okay, we are just the traveling agent which takes you from heaven to earth, okay? That is too much. This is very too much. I want everybody to listen to your parents. They tell you to become this, you become this. They tell you walk like this, you walk like this. You can't do anything from yourself. Your parents only should help. Wait, today class cut, okay? I have to some discussion this. Okay, bye. Okay, today shut down. The class is shut down. Bye. What do you think is written in this? I didn't see such poem any time in my life. I'm English teacher for more than 12 years now. Oh. This is very bad. This is very bad. I don't know how to take this class only. Oh. Hope my children didn't listen all this poet. Again, they'll keep this poet in the head and work. Okay, this poet very nice. This poet very nice. That's all I have for you guys today. So if you like it, don't forget to share it with your friends, and at the same time, if you have any thoughts in your mind, you can give it in the comment section below. And if you're not subscribed yet, just do it fast. And don't forget to watch all the 3 parts of my types of teachers. It's given in the description box below. And see you with another wonderful and beautiful video the next time. Bye.